Tornado's down. Tornado's down. All right, stream. Tornado's down. We have a tornado in the field in progress. Yep. Tornado down. We have a tornado down. Look at that. Tornado down on stream. Oh, power flash. Here it comes. All right, stream. Here it comes.
This thing is gonna go just southwest.
Yeah. Wow. Stovepipe tornado. Oh, it's a big tornado, man.
That's the way.
Oh, it's violent. Just southeast of Kankakee, Illinois, there's a strong stovepipe tornado in progress. If you are in a tornado warning, take shelter now. Wow. Oh yeah. Wow. Likely a strong tornado. Oh, dude, that thing's strong.
The zoom on this is unbelievable.
That's strong, bro.
Yeah, that looks like the other day. Like exactly like the other day.
Oh my. Dude, that's my 13th tornado this year.
So far this year?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude, that's so long.
Wow. I feel like we should. I mean, this thing might stay down. It's gonna get rain wrapped though. I definitely. Yeah, I think we should shoot north. We should shoot north. It's probably gonna get rain wrapped, but let's do it.
Yeah, let's go into it. Is that a freaking wedge tornado? Oh my gosh, dude.
This thing is gonna maybe go to like just to our north.
It's coming right at us, ain't it?
I think it might go just to our north.
Is there a tornado in there?
I mean, from velocity,
Oh, it looks like there's one out ahead of it.
that's what I've been looking like right on the
Yeah.
right side there.
Oh my gosh, dude. What is freaking happening?
That's another PDS. So I'm assuming.
Oh, it's still. Oh yeah, yeah, it is in there, dude.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Nope. Oh my. Oh my. Anyone in the way of this needs to get covered for sure. Oh my, dude. The forward lean, dude. Oh my, strong tornado. Very strong tornado. Where are we close to? If you're in the way of this thing, stay covered. Somewhere in northwest Illinois.